Welcome to the course Big Data Analytics. As part of MongoDB, in this lecture, we will discuss about what are the advantages of MongoDB and for installation, what is the environment. Let us come to advantages of MongoDB. Any relational database which consisting of a typical schema design that shows number of tables and the relationships between these tables. While in MongoDB, there is no concept of relationship. There is a major difference between normal relational database management system and MongoDB. Then advantage of MongoDB over relational database management system. The first one is schemaless. Here MongoDB is schemaless. So MongoDB is a document database in which one collection holds different documents. Number of fields, content and size of the document can differ from one document to another document. Here structure of a single object is very clear. Here no complex joins are used. These are all the advantages of MongoDB over relational or DBMS. Then continuation. Here another advantage is deep query ability exists in MongoDB. MongoDB supports dynamic queries on documents using a document-based query language that is nearly as powerful as structured query language as in or DBMS. Then here tuning is possible here in MongoDB. Then ease of scale out. MongoDB is easy to scale. Conversion or mapping of application objects to database objects not required in MongoDB. Here uses internal memory for storing the working set, that means window based, which enables faster access of data. These are all the advantages of MongoDB. Why use MongoDB? Why MongoDB is required? The first advantage is document-oriented storage. Here data is stored in the form of JSON, that is JavaScript object notation. So JSON style documents. Here index on any attribute is possible. Here replication and high availability is also possible. Then auto sharding is allowed here. Then rich queries are exist here. Fast in-place updates. Professional support by MongoDB is always available. So these are the reasons why we have to use MongoDB. Then where to use MongoDB? The first and foremost in big data. So MongoDB is used very frequently. Then another one, content management and delivery. The next one, mobile and social infrastructure. Then user database management applications. Then data hub. These are the some of the areas where MongoDB is used. These are the advantages of MongoDB. Then coming to what is the environment for installation of MongoDB. First, how to install MongoDB on Windows operating system. To install MongoDB on Windows, first you have to download the stable version of MongoDB from the following website, that is www.mongodb.com. This is the official core website of MongoDB. From this you have to download the stable version of Windows related MongoDB. So this is the home page where we are seeing from the MongoDB website, that is mongodb.com. In mongodb.com, in the home page, you can click on products. So in products, you are having Atlas is one of the cloud-based, then on premises, that is MongoDB locally, then some tools, then mobile and edge. Here you have to choose on products, MongoDB community server. So whenever you can click on community server, here right side you can see in the drop down, here whenever you can click on this, here it shows various versions. Then platform you can select whether it is Linux or Windows. Now we are using Windows. Then the package format MSI and zip is there. Anyone you can select. Then click on download. Then automatically the software will be downloaded. So after downloading the stable version of MongoDB software related to Windows operating system, then you have to install. The full installation process will be available in next video. Stay tuned for the next lecture for installation of MongoDB on Windows environment.